Hi, my name's Steve from Stes Sticks Fix, which is the name, I think, of my channel. I haven't actually set it up yet. Anyway. Oh, God, that's not my music, honest. Hello.
Hello.
ABBA? Adele? Is this mine? I couldn't get it working because I don't know what I'm doing. Yes! Wiggles all around the shop. Aha! How do? Oh. Yes! Wouldn't it be amazing if it was just the charger and they didn't try a different charger? No one would do that, right? Oh, it's got a pube in it. Oh, ho, ho. Oh, yes it does. Why did I buy so many? Hello, Miss Lady. In this video, I'm going to take a look at this big mouth Billy Bass. Oh.
Be happy.
Oh Christ, why did I buy this? Oh my god, it's working. Boom! So I've obviously completely killed it. Oh my goodness.